everyone, welcome to another video with Miss Mando. If you're new here, my name is Mando, I'm a German teacher, and today we're going to learn German, so let's get started. To learn more about pronouns, we have to understand first what a noun is. A noun in German or any other language could be 5 things. A noun could either be a person, a place, a thing, an animal, or a general idea. Here are some examples of nouns: the mother, the school, the pencil, the dog, or the love. The two most important things about nouns in German will be, first of all, the fact that all nouns must be capitalized in German. That said, all nouns have to start with a capital first letter. The second rule about nouns in German, and many other languages too, is that nouns in German have grammatical genders. Grammatical genders are typically bigger categories that nouns can belong to. Nouns can belong in either one of 3 categories, 3 grammatical genders. The first one is the masculine grammatical gender. Then we have the feminine grammatical gender and the neutral grammatical gender. For example, der Kugelschreiber is a noun that belongs to the masculine category. Die Schere is a noun that belongs to the feminine category. Das Lineal is a noun that belongs to the neutral category. Now, what do nouns have to do with pronouns? Here is the rule. Nouns can be replaced by pronoun. What do I mean with that? Listen to this paragraph. The man is driving the car. The man is going to the grocery store. The man is getting groceries. The man is coming back home. Do you notice how the word the man is repeated multiple times within a paragraph? Instead of repeating the same word over and over again, what we could do is to replace the word the man with a pronoun. In English, the appropriate pronoun to replace the word the man would be the word he. So let's take a look at the German pronouns. Das ist der Bleistift. Er ist gelb. Das ist die Schere. Sie ist blau. Das ist das Lineal. Es ist auch blau. So er, sie, es are the 3 pronouns that are used to replace nouns in German. Now, what if we were talking about multiple things and not just one singular item? Da sind die Schulsachen, sie sind blau und gelb. That said, the plural nouns can be replaced by the pronoun sie. So let's practice together. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun that replaces the noun. Das ist das Heft. Das ist der Computer. Das ist das Radiergummi. Und das ist die Tasche. So that is all for today. I really hope that this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss a lesson, and have a great rest of your day. Tschüss!